Alright, what's going on, my people? This is your boy back. Alright, so, oh man, that sucked. Thank y'all for coming back to my channel. And I'll be putting on some LED headlights today. Changing the old boys out, putting the new ones in. Let's go ahead and get it. Take your panels off. Remember, you have to have a tool. It looks like this. Okay. Take your panels off here. You have two here and you have two up here. Take that off. And then I'm gonna have to take my lights out there and take that O-ring off. Hopefully it has one. If it doesn't have the O-ring, I'm gonna have to send these back. This is a 2023. I looked at other videos of 21s and 22s, so they probably changed it. I don't know. About to find out. See you soon. All right, so I've decided to take the whole light out. Okay, the headlight out. My hands are way too fat to get through there. I'm not really that big, but my hands are just too fat to get through there. I can't get through there. So I'm just gonna take the headlight out. There's a screw here, and there's one, I don't know if you can see it, somewhere over here. I felt it, so I think it's over here somewhere. And then I think that's it. About to find out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and see you soon. So I'm back. I have everything on. I got my locking ring on. Remember, when you take this out, you have to put that O-ring on and you have to put the locking ring on, okay, for it to be sealed and locked. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, lock it, and we should be good to go. Reconnect it, and we'll see what it looks like. Be back in a few. All right. Finally got those suckers in, as you can see. I'm telling you right now, they look good, right? Look real good. But man, it took forever. Your circle cap does, I mean, like, it's gonna be hard. I don't think it fits, but it's gonna be tough getting it in. My recommendation, I will put the link down low on the ones you should get after researching. But they're nice. It took a long time for me to put them in, maybe like 45 minutes trying to figure everything out. And the only issue I had was that O-ring, that white O-ring, as if it wouldn't go in there. So I had to force it in there. But it finally clicked in and looks good. Looks good. But again, that was tough. That O-ring matters. There's another kit that you can purchase that you can grab that ring and replace the one that comes with the Ryker, and it should click right in. It should take no more than 5 minutes. But there you go. Y'all have a blessed one. I'm out of here, deuces.